Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I look strange and not like myself. I am showing you the ultimate jack-o'-lantern pumpkin Halloween half-faced makeup look. Very easy, very simple, and I'm using all the products that you have in your makeup collection. This is video number 2 of my Halloween series. All of October I'm doing Halloween makeup, so if you missed my first video, I'll link it up here. Go watch it before this one. And then you can come back and see my lovely makeup that I did today. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm posting some reels over there on me doing makeup for Halloween, and I'm doing some other makeup looks that I'm not showing on here, so be sure to go over there. Let's go ahead and get started. Start off this Halloween look, we are doing this part of our face kind of normal glam, and then the rest is just gonna be pumpkin-fied. The first step is obviously to block out this brow, because this part I will draw on. What you'll need is some Elmer's glue that will come off when you wash it with soap, and all you're gonna do is slap it on there and just hide them brows. Then we're gonna take a spoolie, and all we're gonna do is just pull them hairs up with the glue, and then we do it again, and then now it's kind of like flat on our face. Then all you're gonna need is some powder, and I'm just using some loose powder from Ciate London. And all we're gonna do is just powder the brows, or brow I guess, since we're doing half and half. And all that's gonna do is just lock that glue kind of in place like it locks your concealer, if you know what I mean. So now the next step, you can either use foundation or concealer, but I am going in with just concealer since we're gonna cover up pretty much most of it, and I didn't want it to be too cakey. Make sure we cover that brow as well. Blend, 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 blend. You can also use a brush. After we have finished that, I'm just going to outline my face kind of where I want my pumpkin side to be and where I want my regular side to be. Just making sure that I stay in my zones. Now that we have drawn on our line, which is just separating the pumpkin side to the natural makeup side, I am just going to go ahead and finish and just do the natural makeup side in all full glam. Taking my Hoola bronzer from Benefit, and taking the Benefit blush in Sugar Bomb, then taking the Benefit cookie highlighter, and this is all in the Cheek Stars Reunion Tour palette. Popped on my brow with just the regular e.l.f. brow pencil, and my hair looks insane, don't mind that. Just taking the Jaclyn Hill Volume 1 palette and literally just doing the most basic eyeshadow job there can ever be. It's really weird just doing one eye because it's like, oh, you don't have to match it to the other one. Let me know what shows you've been into lately, and if you need a show to binge watch. I mean, come on. It is literally Legacies. But first you have to watch Vampire Diaries, then you gotta watch the originals, and then you gotta watch Legacies. That's how it goes, okay? That is what you need to do because it's bomb.com. I popped on some lash mascara. I haven't gone without lashes in a while, so I figured I would. And now we're just gonna go ahead and start the exciting part. All I'm doing is taking the Mini Breaker palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics and taking this orange shade in the middle and going to fill this all in. And I am still filling in. I'm using eyeshadow because a lot of people don't have face paint or stuff like that, so I'm just using what everybody has and really simple DIY Halloween makeup. But honestly, you can find a drugstore eyeshadow as well. Don't worry about just going crazy close to where you're gonna go over this edge. Just make it like super close or fade it a little bit. I'm using a foundation brush. Actually, I switched because it's definitely putting the color on way better. Now that we got this on pretty well, we're gonna start with some black eyeshadow and a smaller brush and kind of fill in these little triangles I made and start shading them into the orange to make like a pumpkin-y, smoky effect. And you also can use light or darker oranges throughout. You can find black really anywhere, but a good black is in the Jaclyn Hill Volume 1 palette, and I'm just taking like a bigger brush. I'm just gonna start like smoking out this area down here. I'm not gonna go too close to the triangles. I'll do that with a smaller brush. This will just give like that grainy, like smoked out pumpkin vibe. This is really gonna give that like Halloween, kind of like mean, like very vicious pumpkin look. Like a jack-o'-lantern, not like a pumpkin. Like it's literally a jack-o'-lantern. Now I'm going to take like a deeper orange and go in on the outside of this black and make it come together a little bit more. I really haven't gone all out for Halloween on my channel. Like last year I just did like one video because I was like, I'm not really that girl that's like gonna go all out, you know. I am. I'm sorry, younger Alaina, but you are that kind of girl. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, I'm loving it. I'm just going to take some eyeliner and start drawing my pumpkin lines. So all I'm going to be doing is basically drawing my lines as if I'm like, you know, a pumpkin. Now that we have gotten our lines together, we are taking like a little dense brush, makeup brush, can't think of the word, and we are going to take some black eyeshadow and just smoke it out, girlfriend. So now it looks a little crazy and still smoky and pumpkin-y though. So now we are going to take some liner and put in the eye and the mouth. Okay, so it looks really cool on camera, and now we are just going to take some eyeliner again. So the key to this look is liquid eyeliner and eyeshadow, basically. We're just going to carve out a basic pumpkin eye. Now that I've carved out my triangle, I am just going to fill it in with some black eyeshadow. Now that we have our triangle, obviously your eyes can be closed when you are taking the picture and you'll see the triangle. But I'm going to do my mouth now. Kind of just outlined like a basic mouth. Now that our mouth is done, this look is officially complete. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. It's really super weird talking and looking at myself looking like this, but I'll link all the products I used in the description down below. Be sure to subscribe if you loved it. And I am coming out every Monday and Thursdays with a new Halloween makeup looks all of October. Welcome to the Glam Fam, and let's roll some bloopers. Whoa, Nelly. Okay, I look crazy. That's wonderful. Cooper. I think I have fallout. Great. I'm just going to take, whoa.